Sowing and potting on cucumber plants. Welcome to Growing Kitsch. So I published a video in February where I planted up some seeds. I planted up tomatoes and 2 types of peppers using the same tray. This compost is getting a bit dry, but it should still be alright. I might top it up with some fresh compost a little bit. And just pop it on top like so. So is what we need to do using a pencil. You need to make a row which is 1 centimetre deep. So push down into the compost. You want to take your cucumber seeds out of the packet and you want to plant them on into the compost, and you just want to lay them flat on their side like so. So there's 1, I'm going to be planting 3 in this one, 2, 3, and then I'm going to put these 2 back, plant those a bit later. Once you've done that, you just want to carefully cover them back over with some compost and then give them a watering with a spray bottle. So let's move on. These are some cucumbers I grew a few weeks ago, so they're getting quite long now, so I need to pop these on. Using a pencil, make a hole, take your seedlings, grab them by the leaf, getting right underneath and prising them up. It's got quite a good root system on there already, and kind of ease them in. There's the old seed, take that out. Make sure all the roots go under. It actually already smells like a cucumber. And you just want to get a little bit of compost and just sprinkle it on top like so. So there's 1 done, making a mess. Right, we'll top this up good enough, so I need to do 1 more part. So I'm going to be doing 4 of them today. This one needs a little bit more time to come up. He's still got his seed on. So I'll fully pop up to the line, firming down with your fingers as you go. Breaking the compost up because it does come up a bit lumpy. I'm using a compost out of a grow bag, so it's got a bit of feed in it to help get them started. And with another part, just firm down the compost so you've got nice flat area. And again, with your pencil, make quite a big hole, get right underneath and prise it up. And these 2 are stuck together, so what you need to do, you need to very carefully tease them apart like so, making sure they stay level. So firm compost around them. Just get a little bit more compost to pop on top. Making sure he stays upright. There's another one done. Let's firm that one in a bit more. So when you're firming in, just put your 2 fingers around either edge and firm it in like so. So let's get another one. Make a big hole by twisting your pencil around your seedling, taking the weight of the plant with the pencil, popping it in, holding it upright and firming that compost around it, popping a bit of compost, more compost on top. This compost is a little bit damp, which does make it a bit easier to work with. So another one done. Also make sure you do some labels for them as you pot them so you can remember what plant they are. So there's that done. So there's 4 potted on and the 3 that I've sown in this seed. Don't forget to pop them on a windowsill or in a cold frame outside to keep them warm over the night, and make sure you give them a water once you're done. Thanks for watching this video. Click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching, guys.